starting line. Watch out, watch out. Get out of the way. Clear the starting line. So Jerry Bird went towards the wall. We're gonna go down there and check on him real quick. You bet over there, right? Ah, he's out of the car, ladies and gentlemen. He's okay. Put your hands together for Jerry Bird. Something break? Is it dug into the tire?
Oh, the thing's broke. The track locator, huh?
Oh, it is.
The track locator broke. We left the line. He treed me. And I was going around him, and the car just took a hard left. When it turned, I knew I was in trouble. I didn't want to go head on to the wall, so I slammed on the brakes and turned the wheel, and it caught the back quarter, which was better than the front end. So hopefully I just got to fix the quarter. I got some bent bars. It is fixable. Just hopefully I can fix it in time to make the next race.